What's up guys? In today's video, we're going to show you how to install Boogey Lights RV LED awning kit on any size travel trailer. First, you're going to need to clean the surface really well with alcohol. We include alcohol wipes in every one of our kits. Next, you're going to apply the 3M adhesion promoter, probably the most important step and the one that will make sure your lights are only coming off if you want them off. Now, it's time to remove the 3M backing and slowly stick your lights up into place. Make sure you're doing this with your awning out, and we recommend mounting them about an inch to a half inch below the top of your awning. You can also use electrical tape or a laser light to make sure your lights are on straight. Next, we drilled through the awning arm to run the power lead. But take a look to make sure your awning arm won't crush the wire when it's all the way in. A 1/4 inch drill bit should fit a 22 gauge 4 conductor wire just right. Here's what the finished product looked like, with our power lead running down the awning arm using some wire tie mounts to hold it in place. We also wrapped the power lead in wire tubing for more protection. Here, we drilled through the side of the camper for a cleaner installation. Here's where we fished the power lead through the wall. And if you look closely, you can even see the Lexel that we used to seal up all the holes after drilling. This is an important step to keep out the elements. Next, we ran the power lead behind the dresser and through the front wall leading into the front bay. And here's where it came out. Now, you need to get your 12-volt power source from the battery. So we ran an 8 gauge 2 conductor outdoor power cable down through the middle of the front bay, right behind the battery. Next is the controller module. We mounted it on the inside wall of the front bay using some 3M quick lock tape. Then all you do is connect your red, green, blue, and black wires together, as well as the hot and ground from the battery to the controller module. And after tidying up, here's what the finished product looked like, with our power source running neatly along the wall and all of our connections taped up to protect them from the elements. Now for the fun part, time to enjoy your Boogey Lights. You can either use this handheld wireless RF remote or our Bluetooth app with your smartphone. It's your choice. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Light 'em up and travel safe.